Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If this is the first time you've seen my face, I would love it if you subscribe because I post videos every Thursday at 5 PM. This morning I am in my friend's flat in Glasgow city centre, and today I'm going to be doing a DIY vegan food tour here in Glasgow. So if you are vegan or vegetarian, come follow along and we'll see all the good food and restaurants that we get up to. I've never actually been to any of the restaurants that we're going to today before, which is really exciting for me as well. We're going to 3 different places today for kind of like brunch, coffee and cake, and then at dinner. So let's go because we are running late. I'm out here today with one of my very best friends, Lauren. Lauren is a vegan. How long have you been a vegan, Lauren?
For almost 4 years.
That's a long time.
Yeah, it's almost 4 years next month.
I know, I hate to be that stereotypical person, but I don't think I could give up cheese. So I'm mainly a vegetarian. Nice car. Where are we on our way to right now?
So we are on our way to Serenity Now in the West End, some great Western Road. It's a vegan cafe.
Take us about half an hour walk from Glasgow city centre to get there, but we thought we could do with a bit of exercise before we start eating and get a bit more of our appetites up. It's just gone past 11 I think, and so it's sort of like brunchy, and I've had a look at the menu online. Do like sandwiches and brunch things, and I think maybe some cakes, coffee, and just a bunch of good vegan things. I'm really excited to have a whole day of vegan. I've never, I don't think, had a full day of just being vegan before, so I'm excited to see the options that Glasgow has. Most of the places that we went to today were playing music, so I didn't really want to get copyrighted and you couldn't really hear me that well, so I'm just going to film a voiceover. I've filmed the menu in most of the places I think quickly, so if you want to have a look at what's on offer you can pause. We ordered iced lattes with white chocolate syrup. I had oat milk and Lauren had almond milk, and they cost $3.80 each. Taste test. Oh my god. Oh, that white chocolate syrup. Oh my god. Stunning. And for food, Lauren ordered the s'mores pancakes, which cost $7.95, and I ordered the avocado toast, which had chickpeas and onions on it. There was also an option to add seitan or tofu scramble for a couple extra pounds, but I didn't go for that and I paid $7.95. This place is obviously really pretty and nice. I think it's sort of aimed at the younger sort of Instagram aesthetic generation, which I can definitely testify for. Very aesthetically pleasing. What would you give it out of 10, Lauren? 9. Impressive. Vegan whipped cream, vegan marshmallows and vegan chocolate. I'm assuming Serenity Now is dog friendly, as is the next place that we go to. We have just left Serenity Now. What did you think, Lauren? What would you give it out of 10?
I think I would give it 8.5.
Yeah, I think I would give it 8 as well.
I'm so full, so that's what we're done with. But
we're gonna go to the next place now, but it's about a 45-minute walk, but we're not running as late as we were the first time, so we can take it a bit more leisurely this time. Get our appetites up a bit again. We are heading to Glasvegan. I think we're just gonna get coffee and cake, something a little bit smaller this time. And then we have booked somewhere else for dinner, so we can kind of mooch in between and just like pop into shops and things, although it is Sunday, so I'm hoping that things are open, but it might just be like the chains that are open, to be honest, on a Sunday. That white chocolate syrup is a game changer. It was amazing. I think I'm gonna have to go home and find a white chocolate syrup to buy and put in all my iced lattes. She's filming a TikTok of today. If you want to check out the TikTok of our vegan day, you can follow her TikTok here. We have arrived. There's a sign outside that says vegan fast food, so that's where we're heading. Keep in mind that this was filmed on a Sunday, so it might be quieter than typical, or maybe not, because everything is opening in, so everyone seems to be taking advantage of that. We booked Serenity Now, which I would advise because it was full. I've had to tie my hair back because it is so muggy today. It's like cloudy and really warm. It's like 20 degrees, but also it's been sort of raining on and off, and it just feels close and muggy and disgusting when you're walking around it, so we are quite sweaty. What are you thinking? Just a drink?
yeah.
We're still quite full from the last place. I'm just so hot and bothered. We did not book for the Glasvegan, and we were able to sit inside. Both Serenity Now and the Glasvegan also have outdoor seating available. Go on, Lauren, have a taste test. Is it good?
It's a bit thick.
Thick. What would you give it compared to the Serenity Now one?
I think this one's one I've like tasted nicer, but there's more of this one.
Yeah, it's a bit more value for money. Yeah. Give this a good stir. Ooh. Oh my god, that is really nice. So it's with like salted caramel syrup. This is an iced latte with oat milk and salted caramel syrup. I feel like this food tour is just turning into like the ranking of Glasgow's iced lattes.
We should do that. Oh my god, we should just go like get loads of coffees at like individual places.
Yeah, this is also decaf because this is our second iced latte of the day, so we decided to go with decaf, which I think is a good idea. But we should do a tour of the iced lattes and just have the first one caffeine and then the second ones after that decaf. Let us know if you want to see that down in the comments. Our iced lattes were £3.95 each. Salted caramel syrup was the only syrup that they had. I'm also pretty sure the iced latte wasn't on the physical menu, but we just asked for it anyway. And the Glasvegan also sells vegan chocolate, reusable straws and solid soap bars, etc., as you can see here. We have just been mooching about. We've got like an hour until we need to go for our dinner, which we have booked at 5. It's been on and off raining all day, and when it's not raining it's quite warm, so we've had our jackets in our bags, and then we go in to sit somewhere and it's been like absolutely like monsooning it down. Right now I feel like I'm spitting, so it might come back on soon. So, but the good thing is whenever it comes on you can just always dive into a shop and it'll be over pretty soon. We've just been mooching, going in and out of shops. Where have we gone? H&M, Primark, TK Maxx, Boots, and also we went into Glasgow Central train station to go for a pee, because obviously we're out and about all day today, like we're gonna need a pee. Glasgow Central used to charge you for going to the toilet like 20p or something, which I think is ridiculous, because like peeing is a human right. But now they've, yeah, people need to know if they're coming to Glasgow, can they pee for free? It's a vital component. When COVID was like at its highest and all the toilets were shut, I was like, what are you gonna do if you need to pee? So if you're ever in Glasgow, you need to pee, central toilets are now free. We're on Buchanan Street right now and maybe pop into a couple more shops, make our way up towards the bar that is called Nice N Sleazy's, because they have food in it. The food is like a different company that they serve called Tasty Bucks. Is it called Tasty Bucks? Trusty Bucks. That doesn't sound right. Surely it would be tasty rather than trusty. I'll put it on the screen wherever we end up, and it looks really good, obviously all vegan. We will go there for our dinner, and maybe because we're in Nice N Sleazy's, which is a bar, may have a cocktail with the dinner. Yay! She's excited about that. And then we arrived at Nice N Sleazy on Sauchiehall Street. The cocktail menu on their wall is the older menu that they have. They've only recently opened again, so are serving the reduced yellow menu until they're more sure of how long they can open for. I ordered the Mai Tai and Lauren ordered a strawberry daiquiri, and they were £5 each. Oh, it is Trusty Bucks. £5 mac and cheese. Oh my god. Stunning! The vibe in here was super cool and they had really good music on. Lauren ordered the barbecue chicken loaded fries, which cost $7.95, and I ordered the jackfruit burrito, which cost £9.50. After my avocado toast this morning, I wanted to order something that I couldn't easily make at home, and it was my second ever time having jackfruit and I loved it. Is it good? Oh my god, my hand is shaking. Why is my hand shaking? Possibly the 2 coffees.
Ooh, sexy music. Oh, it's good.
What would you rate it?
8.5.
I think I would rate this 9. I would really recommend all of these places, and we're definitely going to go back to them as well. I think all my makeup has come off wearing a mask today, but we are back at Lauren's flat and I thought I would film an outro for the video. The lighting is so nice here. Ooh, might come over more often.
I love today. It was lots of fun. We found lots of nice new vegan places.
You've been to Glasvegan's before. Have you been to Serenity Now or
no.
The place in Nice N Sleazy? No. I really liked that we went to new places because I feel like if you find something that you like, it's quite easy to just like go there and there again. So I was gonna ask you, what was your favourite meal that you had today?
I think the pancakes in Serenity Now.
They looked really good.
Oh.
I was really impressed that was all vegan as well, because there was like marshmallows, chocolate drizzle, whipped cream. It was really good. I think my favourite was the dinner that we had. I had the jackfruit burrito, but I think that was just because for brunch I had an avocado on toast. I feel like I could make that at home.
Yeah.
But the jackfruit burrito, I've only had jackfruit once before, and turns out I quite like it, so that was really nice, and I was just really in the mood for a burrito.
I feel like in Glasgow, every place in Glasgow and Scotland, or the UK in general, will have a vegan option. Always. Like, I don't even really consider not going somewhere because they won't have a vegan option, because I know they always will.
That's
but
good.
If that's like, if we're lucky, because that's like the whole world thing.
Yeah, I think that might be a Western thing, but also, like, I don't know, it depends quite a lot on culture. I think that in the last few years, places and things have really stepped up as well. And there's so many vegan places in Glasgow, a couple that we've been to before, but loads that we haven't. So if you want a part 2 to this video, let us know and we can definitely do that for you guys. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time for a brand new video. Bye!
Bye!
Bye!